You got my dad in his natural habitat by the garage looking at his phone. But here we have the Toyota. Now everything's much prettier when it's wet, but this was filthy. This has been sitting in the desert for 7 years. So cover the fuse box, hit it with some simple green. Got a big jug of it right here. Brush it, agitate with a broom. But look how clean it came out. This is after 400,000 miles and like 60,000 miles with a turbo, untuned, and header or turbo manifold leaking gases. But yeah, this thing is not a. I don't think it's a basket case. He calls it a basket case, but we gonna prove him wrong. But I mean, I was younger when I did this. It's kind of gay, but we're doing it again, but silver this time. Look way better. Might paint match the grill, might not. We'll see. Luckily, I do have something special over here, and that is a new bumper. But even more special than the new bumper, because you can get those anywhere, is sway bars. These are the X Runner sway bars that was a group buy like 10 years ago, and only 50 people got. So these are rare, but that should help quite a bit with the body roll, because these are twice as thick as the factory one that is on the truck. My truck is not an X Runner. Oh, bikes. My truck is not an X Runner, but it has the same frame minus the purchase for the X brace. Sitting in the desert for 7 years. Unfortunately, you can't really tell. I guess you can kind of tell, but this window right here, it's broken. The only thing holding that thing together is tint. Bed full of shit that's been here for 7 years. Well, probably less, because I moved it a couple times. But yeah, it ain't no X Runner, but we got the X brace. So in the daylight, that thing fucking glows. I'm gonna take these sway bars tomorrow to get them powder coated, and then take this truck to my buddy's body shop. We're gonna do full body paint. We're getting a new hood. The hood's gonna have a hood scoop because carbon fiber. But we're gonna have to bring this back. I had a 10 scale wing. It's kind of I did it for the joke. Unfortunately, my friend Bess, he thought it was a handle to lift the tonneau cover up, and well, you can see exactly what happened to it right there. I went so far with the joke as to putting carbon or titanium hardware. So I mean, I do things for the memes. But got the original tail lights, color match mirrors. What's crazy is that right when this thing died, I detailed it. So like, it's really not like, for a truck with almost 500,000 miles. Oh, let's see, you can see that window now. Truck, gotta replace that, because younger me was cringe. I mean, I still have some anime stuff, including all of these lewd patches. Oh god, time is rough. Anyways, but yeah, so this is how the truck's leaving the house, and hopefully tomorrow or in a couple weeks it looks different color. Also, yeah, we're doing a different color. That'll be a surprise. Not gonna say anything about that. It might be crazy, it might not, but I've also got wheels for it. These wheels are fine for now. These tires are cheap on this thing, let me tell you. So maybe I just keep running that for a while, who knows. But yeah, we're gonna get Barney in here before we crank up the boost, and then yeah, should be fun.